Welcome to Diesel Power Challenge 2012, the event that brings the most powerful street-legal diesel trucks together in one place for 7 competitions. Here are your trucks.
I'm Rocky Horn. I'm from Fort Lupton, Colorado. My truck is a 97 Ford F350 with a Cummins conversion, and I am the 2011 Diesel Power Champion here to defend my title.
My name is RUDOLF from Durham, North Carolina, and I got a 2008 F250 6.4 POWERSTROKE.
Hi, my name is GARNER. I'm from Mound, Minnesota. This is my 1978 Ford F350 pickup that has a Cummins common rail diesel engine in it.
Hi, my name is Eric Clausen. I'm from Canatua Creek, California. I'm here with my 2008 F250 Ford Super Duty.
Hi, I'm Tim Judd. I'm from Southampton, Massachusetts. This is my 2001 Chevrolet Silverado.
My name is Jeremy Pierce from Idaho Falls, Idaho. I'm here with my 2001 Chevy Silverado.
Hi, my name is John Kennedy. I'm from Loyal, Wisconsin. This is my 2002 Silverado DURAMAX. It has a 7.1 stroker motor in it with MPI compound turbochargers, and we're ready for the Diesel Power Challenge.
Hi, I'm Chase FLEECE. I'm from North Salem, Indiana. Drove 1,800 miles to get here. We're going to see if we can kick some butt with my 2006 Dodge Ram.
Hi, I'm Justin BIBBY from Victoria, BC. This is my 07 Dodge 3500.
My name is John Weatherby from Big Lake, Texas. I drive a 07 Dodge 3/4 ton dually.
Look, there's not many places in the world that you can dyno test 10 trucks of this caliber. So for the 2nd year in a row, we've come here to ATS Diesel to use their load cell dyno. It's world-class equipment. These guys are in for a treat.